Today I'm going to present this visual project about extraoral examination. First one, it's 70 years old female patient. It's referred to the orthodontist with the chief complaint that upper incisor were moving in different direction. Here frontal view at the wrist and frontal view at smile and the profile. So first one, it's frontal examination at wrist. The facial form is ovoid and the right side is equal to the left side, so it's symmetrical. In the vertical, but for the vertical thirds, the upper and the lower third, it's about 3, so it's equal, but the lower third is about 3.5, so there is excessive lower facial height. Also the length of the upper lip, it's 1/3 of the total lower third of the face, it's about 1.5. Here also this patient have incompetentness, which he cannot form adequate seal at the wrist. Transfer fifth, it's within normal, just the mouth is narrow relative to the interpupillary distance. At smile vertical, there is excessive incisor and gingival display. The smile arc is consonant with the lower, with the curvature of the lower lip. And the transfer, the maxillary midline is coincident with the facial midline. Mandibular midline, it's not visible extraorally, we can see it intraorally. Profile analysis, soft tissue profile. Here there's increase in the facial convexity, it's about 90 degrees. Vertical facial proportion, there's increase in lower facial height. Nasolabial angle, here this angle, it's about right angle, so it's about 19, so it's considered normal. Nasofacial angle, nasofacial angle, also it's the nasal projection, it's within normal range. Here this angle, nasal projection, it's within normal range. Mentocervical angle, this angle formed by intersecting of the A-line and mental line. Here this angle, also it's within normal range, it's about 115. Nasomental angle, here nasomental angle also with the normal range, it's about 129. Submental and neck angle, there is decrease in the submental and neck angle, so the normal value here, there is decrease in this angle because the normal value in the female patient it's about 121, but here the angle is about 116. Maxillomandibular prognathism, there is retrognathic maxilla and mandible, because see here the distance here, the upper layers, the subnasal from this vertical line, the distance here about 2 mm, and from the bogonion to this vertical line it's about 6, but the normal value it must be 6 plus or minus 3, and the bogonium 0 plus or minus 4. The lip position in relation to the A line, there is protrusive upper and lower lip, so here see both lips comes in contact with the line, but the normal value, the upper lip should be 4 mm behind to the line and lower lip 2 mm. Inverted line, upper and lower lip within normal because it's line anterior to the line. Here in S line, the upper and lower lip it's too prominent. Why too prominent? See here it because it's lying anterior to the line, not in the line but anterior to line. There is decrease in Z angle, and here about 16.5, and the normal value it's 80 plus or minus 8. Interlabial gap, the distance between both lips it's about 3 mm, so it's within normal because the main value is 2 plus or minus 2. The last thing is the problem list. In the anterior posterior direction we have in the skeletal retrognathic mandible and maxilla. In the soft tissue there is increase in the facial convexity, decrease in submental neck angle, protrusive upper and lower lip, and decrease in Z angle. In the vertical, in the skeletal, we have increase in lower facial height. In the dental, there is excessive incisor and gingival display. Also, the cause of this excessive display may be due to increase in lower facial height Also, there are some other causes like lip, short upper lip. In the transfer in the skeletal, we have slight narrow mouth related to the interpupillary distance. This intraoral view for the patient. In the upper, there is missing canine and there is spacing. In the lower, crowding here. Also, this patient have here in the right side class 1 relationship, but here because it's missing, we can see this the patient after the treatment here have competent lip, and the amount of display it's considered aesthetically. And thank you.